name is Jeff.
What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Holy shit! Bro, what the fuck? You supposed to look out for me, bro.
The fuck? I didn't see anybody, dog.
Bro, I heard some shit, bro. We gotta get the fuck out of here, bro.
I swear there was no one around.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, you're supposed to look out for me, man. You know we fucking want it right here. It's the fucking Tales of Runtown, bro. We on the list. Let's go.
When Shadi shut up, you want to shut the darkness. Necessity when no clear day, but the good I had sickness. To some way, the cup of scary family, but I could guess.
There is no tomorrow.
Exactly.
Eat better today. There was a yesterday. You ain't cried like these, boy. 4 minutes.
No more looking back, I'm only looking straight. Ay. Different type of bag, I know you see the change. Ay. Time and money, yeah, you know it's perfect timing. Ay. Baby girl, you know that I'm a star, my stars aligning. Ay. Oh. Catch me draped up in designer. Ay. Yeah, I rock the Rick, the Gucci, Fendi, and the Prada. Ay. Don't you play me?
Where we at? Aya Bowling. That Aya, yeah. Subscribe, SB, you know what's up. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Tro, and we with the Josh Bro. Today we are bowling today. Stay tuned to see who wins.
Right here.
Me, bro. Got you. So, that was for days, bro. No, take it. Wait, hold on.
Oh, you after me?
I'm after Chico. Splendid stuff supposed to come up. Wait, that's a spare, bro. That's a spare.
No, that means it's mayonnaise.
I'm going to Hey, no. Hey.
Sapu, tell us how it tastes.
I'm still tasting.
It's your turn.
Fuck boy. Man, fuck boy. I didn't even score any points. Fuck this shit, man. I'm going back to basketball. Check out that.
Don't order pizza for niggas who don't eat the crust. Fucking dumb.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello.
Come on, catch it.
Hello, Malelo.
Pull away. Keep it going. False start.
Yes, sir.
Oh, never mind. This nigga just got.
I'm gonna make sure that doesn't fall.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm fucking. Hey, shit, Turupa, it's my turn, you fuck. At least I got you, bro. So you hold. Turupa, papador. Watch this, son. Pull it. Get it up. You guys feel a mana? You guys gonna feel a mana in this one?
Yes, sir.
It's called the spinning head kick. He's not gonna hit both of it.
The spinning head kick.
What is that? What is that?
We'll try to go with a heavier ball. See what happens. Oh yeah, we like heavy.
Ready? Nice and brown. Solid! What the freak was that?
No.
Oh, that was the one too. Solid.
Make it take here. Yes, sir. See that? Now that one.
It was worth it.
Watch this though. Everybody back up, back. Nice. Step the Rolling Stone. Squeeze, step back. He's gonna be if you don't make this.
Show your son.
I show my son. My guns is hot right now. Fuck me, bro. What the fuck? No, watch me catch you.
That boy thought he was winning. Look. Oh hell no.
This game sucks dick.
Look at the top while you're rolling and just extend it.
Fuck that. Oh, go and say it. Hold on. What's up?
Ooh! Left the deuce. Yes, sir.
Yay!
I get good eye. What? Oh, hit this one, bro. Hit that one, bro. Put it in my eye. Hurry up, catch it. Hold on, the next one.
Yes, sir.
I hit some.
Let's get it.
That's it for me. Watch this, bro. Alright. I got you on this one. Watch it.
here? So you better. Who we got here?
Scooby-Doo.
Don't you ever touch the cameraman, dog.
Hey, this one, bro. This one. This is the one. I feel him.
That's the one.
I feel him. You know what I feel? But you just no need look, and then you just go like that. Sometimes you have me. Sometimes you
Shit, my bad, boy.
done it.
My turn, please. My turn.
My turn. Oh yeah. Bro, I lagging right now. I lagging. Hey. Oh my gosh, I'm
Catch these three.
nice shot.
Oh, two ball.
Huh? Oh shit, wait, that no go there. Go, Miles. Oh my gosh. Okay, no, I think this is the one. Wait, I gotta get a heavier ball.
Yeah.
Go with this one.
Heavy ball.
Heavy ball. Fuck, man. That shit was hey, it's all good. Sometimes not.